All right, we've got a 2022 Mercedes GLS back here, and the wiper blades need replacing. They're making a lot of racket and getting worn out, I think. So we're going to show you how to do that. It just takes a few minutes.
And there's no tools, no drama, and it's under 50 bucks.
And we like these particular blades, so we'll put a link to these down in the description if you decide you want to use those. By the way, I was looking on some forums. Dealerships charge almost $200 to do this in a lot of cases, but it is literally one of the easiest things you can do on your car. Let's get started inside.
Okay, let's go.
All right. Although it looks like you could access these wipers in their park position, you can't because they're going to hit the hood here. So Mercedes has cleverly created a little program that you do from inside the car. So if Ashley, you want to hit the power button without having your foot on the brake and get all the lights to light up there, and then turn it off right quick, hold the wash button, and there you go. They are ready to service. Now, one critical note here, as you can see, these new blades are two different lengths. You got a 26-inch, I believe, and a 22. Long one goes on the driver's side, and the short one goes on the passenger side. One other note, very few, but some Mercedes are equipped with a different system called Magic Vision or something like that. Anyway, what it does is it shoots the washer fluid out through the blade. I haven't hardly seen it around, but if yours doesn't come out from the base of the hood like a normal car, but shoots out through the blade, you need to be sure you order the correct blades.
So pick a side. We're going to start with the driver's side first. All you'll do is tilt the blade back and push the clip upward. So tilt back, push the clip upward, pull it out. Yep. To install the new blade, you'll want to make sure your clip is in the upright position. You'll slip it in, put it down, and make sure that that's clipped in. If it's not clipped in, it's not installed properly. Can't believe they charge almost $200 for this at the dealer. So we went ahead and replaced both of the blades. We have to get the car out of service mode so they'll lay down. In order to do that, you just hit your start button without pushing the brake twice. While all the lights are on, act like you're going to turn the blades on, turn them off, and you turn off the car. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.